Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix yellow or orange screen issue on Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. So let us start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to display and brightness and then tap on it and then scroll down to screen this section, and in this section you can see here we have reading mode. So just tap on it. So you have to turn off reading mode. So to turn off it, just tap on this toggle button so that this slider moves to the left. So let me show you. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now turned off. And if you have scheduled reading mode to good night's read or custom period, then turn off this also, because it will turn back on by itself when the time comes. And now you can see guys, the yellow or orange screen issue has been fixed. Okay, you can see guys. Let me close the settings app. You can see it's now fixed. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.